Narrated Ghilan. Anas said, I do not find nowadays things as they were practiced at the time of the Prophet. Somebody said the prayer is as it was. Anas said, have you not done in the prayer what you have done? Narrated Abu Huraira. The Prophet said, in very hot weather delay the Zuhr prayer till it becomes a bit cooler, because the severity of heat is from the raging of the hellfire. Narrated Abu Huraira. The Prophet said, none of you should offer prayer in a single garment that does not cover the shoulders. Narrated Abbas bin Tamim. My uncle said, the Prophet said, one should not leave his prayer unless he hears sound or smells something. Narrated Abdullah bin Abbas. The sun eclipsed, and Allah's apostle offered the eclipse prayer and said, I have been shown the hellfire now, and I never saw a worse and horrible sight than the sight I have seen today. Narrated Anas bin Malik. The Prophet led us in a prayer, and then got up on the pulpit and said, in your prayer and bowing, I certainly see you from my back as I see you while looking at you. Narrated Abu Huraira. A person asked Allah's apostle about the offering of prayer in a single garment. Allah's apostle replied, has every one of you got 2 garments? Narrated Ibn Abbas. When the Prophet entered the Kaaba, he invoked Allah in each and every side of it, and did not pray till he came out of it, and offered a 2-rakat prayer facing the Kaaba and said, this is the Qibla. Narrated Anas bin Malik. The Prophet said, a faithful believer, while in prayer, is speaking in private to his Lord, so he should neither spit in front of him nor to his right side, but he could spit either on his left or under his foot. Narrated Aisha. The Prophet said to me, give up the prayer when your menses begin, and, when it has finished, wash the blood off your body, take a bath, and start praying.